Hi guys, I'm here with the probably most versatile video light I have ever seen, and I can tell you I have seen and tested a lot, but this one here beats everything regarding flexibility. It has 3 different modes regarding color temperature, it has 10 different brightness. It comes with its own stand but can be attached or clipped to almost anything, so it can even work as a monitor light. So it can work for video conferencing, for video recording, as a makeup light, for reading or video live streaming. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how you can use it. And so here we have the box again, some description in the back, also some information on the side and some samples how to use it. So let's open the box. Everything comes nicely protected. We get also an instructions manual. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything nice and clear if you need. And so here we have the controller. Here we have the tripod mount foot. It comes even with some soft rubber feet for a safe stand, and we have the extension pole for the tripod. It's very easy to mount and it's extendable in 3 sections. We can lock it clockwise, so you can see it has solid hold, and then we can, for example, mount the light bar on top here. Very easy. Has now also a solid hold on top. To push it together we have to unlock it counterclockwise, and we don't have to use the full height. We can secure it in any height which we want. And then we have the clip option, which I'm going to show you later. It comes also with 3 cold shoe connections. The one here which we are using, of course, for the tripod. To use the light bar in an upright position, we remove it here. Then we remove the pole. Also this slider, and we use one of the openings on the side, attach the cold shoe from the side and screw it on top of the tripod base. Of course, could be anywhere else as well. And so we have a really beautiful upright light, and to power it on we plug it in into any kind of USB-A. Can be power bank, can be computer, can be USB wall charger. And on the other end, USB-C goes into the light bar. Then we turn it on here and we can switch through the different modes. Here we have the warm light, cold white, and something very natural in between. So I love these 3 different modes. That's quite a difference, so it fits for every situation. For me, of course, I would go with this one here, which is very natural. And we can increase or decrease the brightness. Of course, the camera tries to adapt to the brightness here, but you can still see there's quite a huge difference. And you can even hold the button so it will go seamless up and down pretty fast. And with this included clip, it can work as a computer monitor light or at almost any location. There's an additional screw here on top, so we can make it straight, and we can also adjust the angle almost 180 degrees, then secure it here with this screw. And so I mount this here on top of the monitor, and there's even an opening here which allows to still use the built-in webcam. And so I've made it a little bit darker here inside so you can see that nice illumination which we have now on the keyboard. And because there's quite some distance between the monitor and the light, it could also work for curved monitors. And of course also here we can adjust the angle to turn it down so it's not blinding us. So now you have already seen quite some possible applications, but there are many more than that. So I would say it's an awesome thing, super flexible. Of course, it's not very high quality or so, but as far as I can see, everything is working really nicely. Could be a really nice thing if you can't decide what you really want or what you need. So with this thing, you can't go wrong, something which almost fits for everything. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.